Good evening. Breaking news from London. There's been an escape from isolation by two of the world's most effective hypnotherapists, Laurie Hammond and Freddy Jacquin. Now, these two individuals have set up a course on the 4th and 5th of July. Whatever you do, don't even think how good it's going to be if you attend that course, because your life will be changed for the better and the life of your clients will be changed for the better. Now, Laurie Hammond is renowned for helping thousands of people lose weight without willpower. Freddy Jacquin has helped many people. So whatever you do, do not be tempted to attend this course, because you will learn some incredible skills and you will change your life and the lives of maybe thousands of your clients for the better. I've just heard that these two individuals are going to try and tempt you to get on this course by offering you an incredible bonus bundle. Laurie Hammond is going to be offering you a course which normally sells for $100, and Freddy Jacquin is going to offer you a 1-month free membership to his training platform, the Jacquin Hypnosis Academy. He's also, I've just heard, going to be offering you access to all of his invisible power cloaks. But please do not let that tempt you to go on this course, because you will have fun and you will change your life. So be warned. Breaking news from London.